So r square is equal to a cos theta. What is a? 5 cos theta minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 whole square plus b sin theta whole square. What is b? 4 sin theta whole square. So 16 sin square theta. So dr square by d theta should be equal to 0 because r is maximum. Radius of the largest circle, which means r should be maximum. Okay, remember that. Now 2 into 5 cos theta minus 3 whole square. Sorry. 2 into 5 cos theta minus 3 into minus 5 sin theta. Yes, minus 5 sin theta plus 16 into 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 0. Okay, Rajesh? Any doubt in this? 16 into 2 sin theta, differentiation, chain rule. 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 0. Now, taking sin theta common or else 2 sin theta common, taking 2 sin theta common, here we will be getting minus 25 cos theta, minus 5 into minus 3 plus 15, and here 16 cos theta will be left out, will remain, is equal to 0. Radius is maximum. See, largest circle means R should be maximum. R should be maximum. Okay. Now, either sin theta is 0 or 25 minus 16, 9. So 15 plus 9 cos theta is equal to 0. 15 plus 9 cos theta is equal to 0. So cos theta I will be getting as minus 15 by 9. This is not even possible. Okay. So this is minus 9 by 9, whatever. 15 by 9. Even 15 by 9 is not possible because this is greater than 1. Now coming to this, theta, what is theta? Theta should be pi. Theta should be pi. Theta is 0 or theta is equal to pi. Is there any other option? Sin theta is 0 means theta should be 0 or theta should be equal to pi. Okay. So the circle will be circle will either pass through A or A dash. If the center is S dash, circle will pass through A dash, and if the center is S, circle will pass through A. Okay. So then what will be the radius? Theta is 0. What is the radius? Theta is 0. So 5 minus 3, 2 square. That is 0. 2 square, radius is 2 units. We'll check that. Option B వచ్చింది, but let me check the answer. ఈ చెక్ చేస్తున్నా. First question D. अच्छा, कोई सवाल नहीं? See, circle is inscribed in the ellipse, which means entire circle should be inside the ellipse. From here, what we got from here? Circle passes through A. That's what we got. Circle passes through A. Circle passes through A, which means circle is not inside the triangle. No, circle is not inside ellipse. Point is circle inscribed in the ellipse. Okay, so along with this condition, the fraction meaning panikiradu basically. Okay, at P there should be a common tangent. Adi. So circle is inscribed in the ellipse. Basically, circle is touching the ellipse. Our condition is just we apply another condition. So there should be a common tangent. So equation of tangent. So what is the equation of circle? See, x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square is equal to r square. So x square plus y square minus 6x is equal to r square minus 9. That is the equation of circle. Now equation of tangent at P. Equation of tangent at P, a cos theta, 5 cos theta, comma 3 sin theta. Antena 4 sin theta. 5 cos theta, comma 4 sin theta. Okay. So x1 s1 is equal to 0. So x into 5 cos theta plus y into 4 sin theta minus 3 into by 2 x plus 5 cos theta is equal to r square minus 9. Now 5 cos theta minus 3 of x, 5 cos theta minus 3 of x plus 4 sin theta of y, 4 sin theta of y minus 15 cos theta plus 9 minus r square is equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent. Let it be equation 1. Let it be equation 1. Now equation of tangent at P to the circle, sorry, to ellipse, which is x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1. Remember that? This is the equation of tangent. Yesterday you have discussed. So x by a, what is the value of a? 5. So x by 5 cos theta plus y by 3 sin theta is equal to 1. Or else minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is equation 2. This is second equation. Okay. So both represent the same equation. 1 and 2 represent same equation. 1 and 2 represent same equation. So 5 cos theta minus 3 by cos theta by 5, comparing the coefficients, okay, is equal to 4 sin theta by sin theta by 3. 4 sin theta by sin theta by 3. Okay, sir, let's go. Sorry, 4 is I can okay. 4. This is 4. Value of b is 4, right? Sin theta cancel 16. From here, 5 by equal to 25 cos theta. 25 cos theta minus 15 is equal to 16. Is equal to 16 cos theta. 9 cos theta is equal to 15. Now it's not 16 15 by 9 వస్తుంది కాస్ట్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కావాలి ఇది చేసి మరి చెప్తాను. ఎక్కడో ఏదో పాయింట్ దగ్గర మిస్టేక్ అయి ఉంటుంది, లేదంటే అసలు అలా సర్కిలే పాసిబుల్ అయి ఉంటుంది బేసిక్గా. ఓకే, విల్ సీ వాట్ ఎవర్. సో ఫస్ట్ అసలు మాక్సిమం రేడియస్ తో సర్కిల్ పాసిబుల్ అవ్వాలంటే సి forget about the center is focus or not. So what is the biggest circle that can be inscribed in the ellipse? Suppose this is the ellipse. So biggest circle that can be inscribed in the ellipse is this. That is the biggest circle which can be inscribed in the ellipse. With center same as the ellipse of center of the ellipse. Okay, center of circle should be center of ellipse. Then the radius will be the largest. Okay, but center equal focus on itself, and the maximum radius ante obviously there will be, see, with the center as focus, obviously there is only one circle. Okay, there is no biggest and smallest, I guess. So with the center as focus there is only one possible circle. So if you are applying the conditions for that possible circle, you are getting cos theta as 15 by 9, or else sin theta is 0, which means theta is 0 or theta is pi. So if the center of the circle is S, and the circle is biggest, then circle is passing through A, but then the circle will not be inside the ellipse. So our condition is ఇలా అయితే అదే వస్తుంది. సో బేసిక్గా నాకు తెలిసి అసలు సర్కిలే పాసిబుల్ అయి ఉండదు. ఐదర్ circle with the given condition is not possible. Okay, or we have done mistake somewhere. Okay, I'll check and tell you tomorrow. Leave that. Next, now question number 13. Question number 13. The equation 5x minus 1 whole square, 5x minus 1 whole square plus 5y minus 2 whole square is equal to lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 1 into 3x plus 4y minus 1 whole square. Find lambda. If the equation represents ellipse, find lambda. And the interval was value rather, we get an interval. Okay, so first try to convert this in the form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. What is the equation of ellipse? General equation of ellipse: x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to e square into ax plus by plus c whole square by a square plus b square. That is the equation of ellipse. So first try to convert this equation into this form, and then write what is e square. After writing e square, basically that should be less than 1. Okay, value of e should be less than 1 kada ellipse avalante. Okay, see, if e is equal to 1, then it is parabola. Then the same equation represents parabola if e is equal to 1. If e is less than 1, ellipse. If e is greater than 1, hyperbola. Okay, so general equation of every conic is same. Distance from focus is, and ratio of distance from focus and distance from directrix is constant. Okay, so that is the definition of conic. So general equation of every conic is same. So depending on the value of E, either it will be parabola, ellipse or hyperbola. So now the question is, it is ellipse. So E should be less than 1. E should be less than 1. Rachna, first take 5 common from here. Okay, take 5 common from here. Root 5 వస్తుందా ఆప్షన్ లో లేదు కదా చెక్ చేసుకోసారి మళ్ళీ చెక్ చేసుకురా కార్తీక్ Okay, look, x minus 1 by 5 whole square plus y minus 2 by 5 whole square. Okay, so 5 square common from this is equal to lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 1 into 3x plus 4y minus 1 whole square by ఈ 5 square reduction 25. Okay, ax plus by plus c whole square by 3 square plus 4 square. So compare this with this. E square should be equal to lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 1. Okay, so which should be less than 1. lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 1 should be less than 1. So lambda square minus 2 lambda is less than 0. Lambda of lambda minus 2 is less than 0. So lambda belongs to 0 comma 2. Lambda belongs to 0 comma 2. Very correct. 0 2 plus minus plus. So lambda belongs to 0 comma 2. Minus 0 less than 0. 0 comma 2. That's the answer. Okay. There are 0 comma 2 answer. Okay. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Next, equation of chord joining P theta 1 and Q theta 2 on x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Equation of chord joining P of theta 1 and Q of theta 2. Okay. So eccentric angles theta 1 and theta 2 on x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Okay. Now, so equation is x by a into cos theta 1 plus theta by 2 formula is equal plus y by b into sin of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 is equal to cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. This is the equation of chord. Okay. Then my second question adigaru apno JEE main section lo second question adigavanna use this formula. Okay, use this formula theta 1 minus theta 2. JEE main lo second question lo JEE main section lo second question lo. So theta 1 minus theta 2 is given as pi by 3. Theta 1 minus theta 2 is given as pi by 3. And equation of chord is given as y is equal to mx plus c. Okay. Now substitute theta 1 minus theta 2 is equal to pi by 3 in this equation, and then compare this equation with this y is equal to mx plus c. From there you will get the condition. Okay. I'll try again. Then my formula is clear. Okay. అర్థమైందా లాభం? ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ అదే సేమ్ JEE అడ్వాన్స్ సెక్షన్ లో థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ అడ్వాన్స్ సెక్షన్ థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ వినండి ఒకసారి. ఆ తర్వాత మీరు later we can solve 12th question. First third question వినండి ఎలా అప్లై చేయాలో వస్తుంది. If alpha and beta are eccentric angles of the ends of a focal chord of the ellipse. So first equation of chord x by a into cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b into sin alpha plus beta by 2. Alpha and beta are the endpoints, okay? Is equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2. Now, this chord passes through, see, passes through focus. Passes through focus. Understand? Because this is a focal chord. Focal chord means it passes through focus. AE comma 0. Substitute the AE by A into cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus 0 is equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2. Okay? A cancel. So from here, what are you going to get? Cos alpha minus beta by 2 by cos alpha plus beta by 2. Cos alpha minus beta by 2 by cos alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to E. Is equal to E. Now this is of the form A by B is equal to C by D. Apply component dividend. Component dividend. Okay. Now, what is component dividend? A plus, this is A by B by C by D. A by B is equal to C by D form. A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus. Okay. So, it will be like this: cos of alpha minus beta by 2 plus cos of alpha plus beta by 2 upon cos alpha minus beta by 2 minus cos of alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to E plus 1 by E minus 1. Now, formula cos A minus B plus cos A plus B, 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos A cos B, cos alpha by 2 into cos beta by 2. Next, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, 2 sin A sin B. So 2 sin alpha by 2 into sin beta by 2 is equal to E plus 1 by E minus 1. 2 to cancel. Okay. So the reciprocal equation మొత్తాన్ని reciprocate the equation. You will get sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 tan alpha by 2 into sin beta by 2 by cos beta by 2 tan beta by 2 is equal to ulta E minus 1 by E plus 1. That is the answer. Tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2 is equal to E minus 1 by E plus 1. So option B can be. Now, next one, 12th question. You also solve 7th question, 12th question. Okay, 7th you can solve, 12th you can solve. కావాల్సిన క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి మీరు చేస్తూ ఉంటాయి ఏమి వస్తుంది 15 minutes ఉంది. I'll do one thing. I'll finish the concept today, concept of ellipse today. Okay. So equation of tangent, we already discussed that. Now coming to equation of normal. Okay, equation of normal. P x1 comma y1 to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So basically this is ax by x1 minus a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. This is the equation of normal. Remember this. Okay, equation of normal. So equation of normal at p theta. If I say p theta, okay. Now, in the place of x1, okay, in the place of x1 I have to put a cos theta, and in the place of y1 I have to put b sin theta. Now ax by cos theta, square and a get cancelled, cos theta will be left here. Ax by cos theta minus by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. These two are important equations, the equation of normals. Okay, equation of tangent, no need to remember. Even if you forget the equation of tangent, you can simply use s1 is equal to 0. There is a formula, right, to find the equation of tangent. 12th one option B. Okay, let me check first. Correct. Option D. 12th one option D correct. Okay. So this is the equation of normal. Okay. So how to find the equation of tangent? Simply s1 is equal to 0. Even if you forget the formula, simply by using s1 is equal to 0, you will find the equation of tangent. But equation of normal, the formula will be lengthy. Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. That's how you find the equation of normal, right? M is the slope of tangent, so minus 1 by m will be the slope of normal. So y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. That will be the equation of normal. So that is a lengthy process. This is the equation of normal. Point P x1 comma y1. This is the equation of normal P theta. Okay. Now, equation of chord of contact. Equation of chord of contact. Equation of chord of contact. Yes, how to find that? Same as circle and parabola only. Equation of chord of contact. S1 is equal to 0. So first, there is a point P here. Okay, point P, x1 comma y1. This point A, point B. So AB, chord of contact. Okay, remember the same concept. Okay, as in circles and parabola also. Now, equation of chord of contact of P. Okay, so equation of AB. S1 is equal to 0 simply. Equation of chord of contact is S1 is equal to 0. Equation of chord, next one. Equation of chord with given midpoint. Equation of chord with given midpoint. Midpoint P, x1 comma y1 is S1 is equal to S11. That is the equation of chord with given midpoint. See, these two formula, equation of tangent, equation of chord of contact, equation of chord given midpoint, all these formula are same for circles, parabola, ellipse, and also hyperbola. Okay, so that is the observation. Equation of chord of contact S1 is equal to 0. Equation of chord with point S1 is equal to S11. That is the formula. Okay. Next one. The final point on this. Director circle. Okay. Director circle. గుర్తొచ్చిందా ఆ పదంతో? Did you remember anything regarding this director circle? So we have discussed about director circle in the chapter circles. Okay. So while discussing circles, we have discussed director circle. So basically, director circle is the locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents. Okay. So definition is same in ellipse also. Director circle is locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents to ellipse. Of ellipse అయితే definition is same for circle or for ellipse, definition is same. So director circle you are going to get in hyperbola also. See, there is no director circle in parabola that I have discussed also. In parabola, what is the locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents? It is the directrix. In parabola, locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents is directrix. Okay, in the remaining three circles, ellipse and hyperbola, locus is a circle which is known as director circle. In parabola, it is not a circle; it is a straight line which is directrix itself. Okay. So locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents to ellipse. So how to get the equation of it? We'll see that also. Okay. So this is ellipse. Now perpendicular tangents. Okay. Are these two perpendicular? Perpendicular tangent. This is point A. a comma 0, this is point B 0 comma B. Okay, equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. That is ellipse. Okay, ellipse equation. Now perpendicular tangents. See, tangent at B and tangent at A are perpendicular. Yes, tangent at A and tangent at B are perpendicular. Okay, no doubt in this. Similarly, tangent at A dash and tangent at B are also perpendicular. At A dash and B dash are also perpendicular. B dash, A dash. Now all these 4 points lie on the circle. All these 4 points lie on the all these 4 points lie on the circle. That is the director circle. So director circle. So if you observe, what is the center? Center is origin only, which is 0 comma 0. Okay, origin 0 comma 0. What is the radius? Suppose this is point P, this is point Q and all. Okay, so radius is OP. Now first find what is point P. Okay, so this is the line x is equal to A, so x coordinate will be A, and this is the line y is equal to B, so y coordinate will be B. So point P is basically A comma B. Point P is A comma B. So radius is OP, which is under root A square plus B square. Now see, center of the circle is 0 comma 0. Radius is root A square plus B square, which means equation of director circle. Equation of director circle, x square plus y square is equal to r square. What is r square? It is simply a square plus b square. So this is the equation of director circle. In circles, the equation of director circle to a circle is simply r square. Okay, sorry, 2r square. Here it is a square plus b square. There you will get 2r square. Okay, that's it. Just wait a minute. Next, similarly, there is another point left. So locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents is known as director circle. What is the equation of director circle? X square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. Next, area enclosed by ellipse. Area enclosed by ellipse. What is the area of circle? Pi r square, right? So area enclosed by ellipse is simply pi a b. Area enclosed by ellipse is pi a b. So ఎలా వచ్చింది అంటే we discuss that in area under the curves. Okay, in integration chapter. So proof of this you get in integration chapter. For now, just remember area enclosed by ellipse will be pi a b. Where I can use the example. Okay, that's it for today. So concept part is finished in ellipse. Okay, so I'll send some questions in the group. Solve them. Tangents and normals. Questions on tangents and normals I'll send. Solve those questions.